So we all know insurance is getting more and more expensive trying to save money. A Massachusetts couple switched their car insurance to one of the big national carriers, Progressive.
So they thought that they would still get the same coverage, but they say their insurance company hit the road when they needed it the most. And as our Ben Simoneau shows us right now, their story is now a warning for everyone.
We just kind of came outside and were just in total shock looking at the damage.
No wonder. It looks like a bomb went off in Juliana and Connor Gilday's driveway.
Shattered, glass was everywhere on the inside. There was just woody debris all over the place.
This is why, in September, their neighbor's tree came crashing down across both their vehicles parked just outside their Westford home.
So the main trunk came straight through here, breaking the top half, pretty much peeling the roof from the metal frame itself. So bounced off my vehicle, sheared my wife's mirror off, damaging the roof.
The tree happened to fall on the day their car insurance policy renewed. But luckily, Juliana says she had made a payment to Progressive earlier that day.
I used Progressive's app to make the payment as I did every month. I selected the pay in full amount. I knew that we had the policy was set to be renewed.
And when she called the company,
I don't even know where to begin.
The Progressive customer service agent acknowledged the renewal.
It's because you're renewing at this time. Give me one moment here.
And gave no indication in the nearly 30-minute recorded call they obtained that there was any problem, only saying inputting the details would take a little longer.
That all the information I put in has to be manually put in since your policy won't attach since it's in the renewal right now. Okay. Give me one moment here. It's going to take a little bit longer, but we'll be able to get through it.
Despite that assurance, Progressive denied the Gildays' claim a few days later, saying the payment Juliana made was actually the final payment on their previous insurance policy. To activate the new policy, she needed to make another payment. So the company said they were not insured when the tree fell.
Did anywhere on that call anyone say to you, oh, you have to make another payment for this new policy to begin?
They did not. She never gave me any indication that there was a payment owed or any pause in our coverage whatsoever.
They could try filing a claim with their neighbor's homeowner's insurance, but you generally have to prove they knew the tree was a danger. And if the timing couldn't get any worse, the property next door had just been sold a few days before, making it impossible to prove negligence by the brand new owner. Losing both cars and learning they're not covered for the tens of thousands in damages came just before this young family welcomed their second child. The stress, life-changing.
You had a heart attack at how old?
36.
Because of this stress.
It definitely played a huge factor in it, yep.
Progressive's website says renewing car insurance is an easy process and says all customers need to do is, quote, simply make an initial payment. The Gildays believe had they worked with an independent agent, that agent would have alerted them to make that payment. And they believe Progressive, which acts as its own insurance agent, owed them that.
It's your understanding that you could have made a payment any time that day and been covered.
Correct.
But they didn't tell you that.
They never told us.
We're now in a position where we're trying to figure out what the heck do we do next? And we feel at a loss. We feel like we got taken advantage of, and I have zero trust in them.
After we started asking questions about this, Progressive did a U-turn and decided to cover the damage. The company did not elaborate on their agent's responsibility in a matter like this, but simply said they were able to resolve these claims to the Gildays' satisfaction. It is a good reminder with any type of insurance these days, you've got to pay close attention to policy renewal dates and any amounts you may owe. In the newsroom, I'm Ben Simoneau, WCVB News Center 5.